Kike Ballesteros has biology in his blood. Since he was a child, he had been diving with his father in Taça de Mar, which marked his destiny forever, to be a naturalist. He did everything he could to achieve it. He studied biology and earned a doctorate with a thesis on algae. After a year of teaching, Enrique left to pursue his dream job at the Centre d'Estudis Avançats de Blanes. This has allowed him to dive all over the world, live in his beloved Taça and never stop researching. For over 35 years, he has participated in numerous studies and written hundreds of scientific papers and books on marine biodiversity and other ecosystems. Kike is a key player in many expeditions due to his great ability to recognize aquatic species, wherever they may be. This is thanks to his tireless dedication, impeccable memory and unconditional love for the seas and oceans.